All right, everybody, back. Bowman Draft Super Jumbo. Bad boy was like 625 bucks, I think. 5 humongous packs. See, humongous. 120 cards a pack. Hoping for some of the big dogs in here. Marcelo Mayer, Henry Davis, Colton Cowser, Jackson Joby. I'm gonna make this easy on myself. Alright, let's start it up. 5 autos in the box, 1 auto per pack. And let's begin. Pete Crow Armstrong with his Cubs uni. JJ Bleday, Maximo, Yolki, Giannis' little brother. Can't wait for that dude to hit the bigs. Blaze Jordan, Trent DeVoe, Joe Mack, numbered out of 499, Colton Cowser, Chad Kellington, Emmanuel Rodriguez, Drew Gray, Pete Crow Armstrong, again, Peter Hubeck, Frank Mazzucato, Ian Mahler, Andrew Painter, and Micah Otenbright. I think I got both of these guys in that black and white wave. Tristan Casas, Jackson Wolf, horribly cut. Man. McCade Brown, Nick York. Hika, Dominguez. Nothing crazy in this pack. It's all Christian Hernandez. God, it looks badly cut too. Man. Sorry, I don't think I would get a paper base graded anyway, but still. So this, it looks like the top half has your auto in it. So we'll do those last every time. Oh, is that a yellow? Please be somebody big. Alright. We're gonna split it up. Oh, well, there's the auto. Just ruined it. Yeah, we won't. Ricky Tiedemann. Denzel Clark. Ty Madden first. Robert Pelson. Jordan Lawler. That's a good one. Brennan Davis. Austin Martin. Jay Allen. Nice. That's a good one too. Sam Bachman, JT Schwartz, Leo Vergaro, Tyler Soderstrom. What was that? They put a booger in my box. Luis Matos, Cody Morissette, Victor Mesa, Austin Love. Who is it? Brock Selvage. Looks like a yellow wave refractor out of 75. Marco Luciano. Kai Bush, badly cut. Tyler Black. First Bowman Chrome Auto, position player. Benny Montgomery, Frank Mazzucato, Kerstad, Jake Fox. I heard he's going to be good. Joe Rock. Brian Holgate first, Bobby Witt, and Lonnie White. The Witt and White. Alright. So we got a yellow wave out of the first pack. And a Tyler Black auto. I did really well on this one. Alright, you got some color? No, insert. Hedbert Perez, Hendrick, Jaden Hill first, McCann's first, Henry Davis first. Nice. Paper, but nice. Preciado, Matthew Nelson, Riley Green, he's going to be good. Tommy Mace first, Frank Mazzucato, Luis Rodriguez. One looks a little more centered. Noel V. Marte, Nick York, Jose Torres, Jackson Jobe, that's a good one. Blaze Jordan, Joe Mack, Jordan Lawler, draft night. Pedro Leon. Let's get some big dog. Oh, there's one. Paper, right at the beginning. JT Schwartz. Isaac Pacheco first. CJ Abrams. Got his black and white wave earlier. Drew Gray. Max Meyer. Jose Torres. Jeremy De La Rosa. Gunnar Henderson. Alright. Alright. Let's open the money pack. Being stubborn. Maybe that's a good sign. There's going to be something good in here. Alright. Steinmetz, Splade, Morissette first. God, it's off center. Williams, Yolke, Blaze Jordan, Aaron Fella, Riley Green, Kyle Dondo, Jeter Downs. Ooh, Freddie Valdez, it looks orange. Oh, John Rhodes. Right team, wrong card. Oh, I thought that was the auto. First Bowman Speckle, not numbered. So you're saying there's a chance. Harry Ford. Jay Allen, first Bowman Chrome. Nice. Hunter Goodman. Ruben Ibarra. Michael Morales, first Bowman Auto. Not what we were hoping for with a pitcher. Ethan Wilson. Stephen Hajar. Good. Cooper Kinney. All right. So we will move on to the next pack. Should just open the top one first. Reverse it. Maybe it'll be better. Alright. Get a little good luck. Spencer Torkelson. Move the scissors out of the way. Sean Burke. Jay Allen, good. That dude's here. Noah Miller, Bobby Witt, Wes Kath, Cooper Bowman, Luis Angel Acuna, John Rhodes. Wrong player. Get some color. I haven't had color in a while. Chase Petty. Only got one. Luis Rodriguez, Micah Otenbright. Chad Patrick. John Rhodes again? Drew Gray. Johendrick. Michael Morales to go with the auto. Ryan Spikes, Jackson Joby. All right, looking for this third auto. Let's cut this one up. Idiots, first time. Oh, is that gold? Oh. You guys see the gold? All right. Let's go hunting for gold. Jeter Downs, Robert Gasser, Henry Davis. Hopefully he's in the gold one. Pirates gold. Russell Smith first. Jackson Merrill. Henry Davis. There it is. Let's go for the Henry Davis trifecta. Connor Norby. Tristan Casas, Stephen Jar, Marco Luciano. Oh, it's yellow. Oh, come on. Owen Kellington. Not what we wanted. Right team. Not the right card. Gold out of 50. Looks like we got more color coming too. Angel Martinez. Connor Norby again. What? Is it a first? It is. Looks like a Met. Oh, Christian Scott. Colored auto out of 199. Pitcher for the Mets. Round 5 pick. Not great. Colton Cowser. Pacheco. Torres. Jeremy De La Rosa. Down to the last 2 ginormous packs. Get some either big auto, some big color from a player that you want color from. Well, there's some color. Nick Gonzalez, Doug Nikhazy, Garrett Mitchell, Black first. I almost thought his last name was Rotisserie. Oh, it's a Philly. Ruined the surprise. Jordan Viers. 38 out of 50. Paper. Benny Montgomery. Flip these back around. J.J. Bleday. Reed Trimble. Joe Rock. Sean Burke, Elio Ramos, Ryan Holgate, Invicta of Blaze Jordan. That's a cool one. Is that Frank Mazzucato? Benny Montgomery. Another Frank. Maddox Bruns, Po Yu Chen, Reed Trimble. Seen him a lot lately too. Bobby Witt Jr. All right, going for auto number 4. Let's get a good one. Come on. These packs are kicking my butt today. Oops, camera. All right. Jackson Wolf first. Connor Norby again. Elio Ramos. Ooh, Marcelo Mayer. There we go. That's a good one. Paper, but still works. Benny Montgomery. Hendrick. Ryan Spikes. Glare. Panzini. Jake Fox. Gunnar Henderson. Colton Cowser first. Please let that be a precursor to something good. Bryce Miller. It's red. Jay Allen. Give me something. Alright. Do this different. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. What? Why was that flipped backwards? Okay. Thanks for faking me out. Edbert Perez. Ian Mahler. Ryan Webb. I think our auto's coming up next. Oh, really? Another pitcher. Yay. Zach Veen. Chase Petty. All right, last pack. I need this last pack to save me. That's some nice color. One of the big dogs. That would be nice. Pena. Norby again. Luis Angel Acuna. Kai Bush. Elio Ramos. Marcelo Mayer. It's a good one. Oh, you're killing me. Come on. Isn't that? Yeah, John Rhodes. Here's your purple brother. Ruben Ibarra, Eric Silva, Brett Beatty, Gasser, Rushman. Some more color. Who's the Invicta? Pedro Pineda. Go hang out with Blaze. Kevin Alcantara. Cade Popovich. Russell Smith. Ronnie Mauricio. Ho Yu Chen, Dominic Hamill. All right. This is the last half pack, y'all. I need something super nice to come out of here to make this to redeem itself. Actually, let's try not to ruin it. We'll leave that one at the back, and we'll take all the paper and look at that first. John Rhodes again. John Rhodes box. Let me know if you're a John Rhodes fan. Ruben Ibarra, Otenbright, Jackson Joby. Spencer Torkelson. Jay Allen, that's a good one. Will Bednar, that's another good one. All right, let's get something good here. Nilkar Perez, Kai Bush, Grayson Rodriguez, Marcelo Mayer, good. Let's get a whole pack of those, great. Ryan Buelvas, Tyler Matson, Michael Harris. Don't want to ruin that last card. A surprise. I hope it's something big. Marcelo Mayer, another one. All right, so. Is it a first Bowman? Yes, it is. Is it a pitcher? Please, no. And it's catcher, Matthew Nelson. All right. All right, that is it. So there's 3, the 4, and the 5 autos. Bunch them up a little bit better here. So we got 1 out of 199, 1 out of 150, and then 3 base. 2 position players, 3 pitchers. Not the ratio I was looking for, but got a gold of a pitcher. Got the speckle refractor. Got a gold paper. Yellow wave refractor of a pitcher. Yeah, kind of a pitcher box, but all right, thanks y'all. See ya.